Hey guys, this is Vicky and watching Man of Physique. So in this video, I'm gonna make a delicious and healthy high protein egg omelette. In this quarantine day, you might be eating the same boring and unhealthy snacks. It is very unhealthy for your health and it's a junk food. So instead of eating this kind of junk food and unhealthy food, today in this video I'm just came up with a healthy egg omelette recipe. So you can have this egg omelette in evening as a snacks instead of having this kind of unhealthy foods. So without wasting time, let's jump into this video. With that, we go to the end of the video. Like, subscribe and turn on the notification by hitting the bell icon to stay tuned with me. Thanks a lot for watching. Till the next time, this is Vicky and you have been watching Man of Physique and I'm signing off for now. Have a great day. Peace guys.